So welcome to this video on requesting items. If you'd like an item that is on the shelf at another campus or is out on loan to another user, you'll need to request the item within Library Search by signing in. So I've got a set of results here on critical thinking, and I'd like to take out the Critical Thinking Concise Guide book. So I'm just going to click on the link underneath that book and just check the availability, whether there are copies available or whether they're out on loan. So there are two copies unavailable or out on loan, so I need to request this item. So in order to do that, I need to sign in. So click on sign in just above and then enter your staff or student login. So at this point you can see request has come up just above, so you click on request and then just add in a pickup location, so wherever you're based, where you want to pick up your book, and it will show you the loan length of that book, and just underneath you could put a not needed after date as well, so when it's no longer useful to you. And then just on the right hand side here, click on send request and then your request will go through. So you should see a message saying request placed and your number in the queue once you've clicked on this button.